In this video, we are covering adjectives in the nominative case. But first, can you remember what the nominative case is used for? That's right, it is the subject in the sentence. There is an exercise sheet for you to work through and a reference sheet with an overview and words translated in their dictionary forms. You can do as few or as many as you like. You don't need to fill in the singular and plural or gender. They are just to help keep you focused on your ending choices. And if you are not going to do all of them, make sure you take a look at the last few questions. These are for you to translate into English, and there are no clues for these on the reference sheet. Try to avoid using Google to translate these. Instead, it is a good habit getting used to using dictionaries. Aside from finding the word you are looking for, you will often come across some interesting words during your search. If you don't have a dictionary, then take a look at the Internet Archive website. They have a great selection you can view for free. The one I use the most is the Veliki Hrvatsko-Engleski Rječnik. And if you haven't done so already, now would be a good opportunity for you to start your own dictionary. Once you have finished your worksheet, pop back here and we'll go over the answers. We won't be going into too much detail to explain the exceptions and variations as they will be covered in other videos, but we'll briefly point out the differences. These videos build on the previous ones, so it will be helpful if you have seen episode 3 covering gender, the cases overview for nouns, and the adjectives video. Go ahead now and download the worksheet and reference sheet if you haven't done so already, and we will see you here when you are done. Welcome back. So, are you a bit more comfortable with making those simple sentences now? We hope so. And how did you go? Let's find out now as we go over each of the answers with you. If you didn't do all of them, it would still be worthwhile watching to the end, as we point out those that don't follow the standard rules. We want to use this as speaking practice for you as well, so when we say the Croatian, we'll pause so you can repeat it, and remember any chance you get to say the words helps with your comfort levels and familiarization of the language. Now, let's begin. Question 1. Prvo pitanje. It is an electric piano. It is singular, and piano or clavier is masculine. Masculine adjective receives an I and the noun is unchanged, so the answer is to je električni klavir. And let's practice saying that. To je električni klavir. And well done if you got that correct. If not, let's see if we can help you make sense of it soon. Some, like this one, are a little more tricky, and you will see that it is not always as easy just to add an I on the end. There are movable and disappearing A's, which we will cover in the future. For now, just try to get familiar with the fact that it happens. Question 2. Drugo pitanje. They are electric pianos. This time we have plural, so both the adjective and the noun receive an I on the end. They are electric pianos. To su električni klaviri. And again, to su električni klaviri. How did you go this time? Well done if you got that correct. Question 3. Treće pitanje. It is an electric guitar. Gitara ends in A, so this time it's feminine, and both adjective and noun have an A on the end. It is an electric guitar is to je električna gitara. And again, to je električna gitara. So how did you go this time? Did you notice the pattern is the same, but just changed to an A? And what about the next one? Question 4. Четвърто питание. They are electric guitars. They is plural, so we have the ending E this time. They are electric guitars. To su elektryczne gitary. And again. To su elektryczne gitary. Let's keep going. You're making great progress. Question 5. Peto pitanie. It is an electric cello. It is neuter and singular, so the adjective ends in O and noun is unchanged. To je električno cello. And again. To je električno cello. And next we have question 6. Šesto pitanje. They are electric cellos. Neuter and plural, so both endings change to A. To su električna cella. And again. To su električna cella. Well done so far. We have now covered each of the scenarios and will move through these a bit quicker now while still practicing pronunciation. Question 7. Sedmo pitanje. It is a blue window. Masculine, singular. To je pravi prozor. And again. To je pravi prozor. Question 8. Osmo pitanje. They are blue windows. Masculine, plural. To su pravi prozori. And again. To su pravi prozori. Question 9. Deveto pitanje. It is a hot coffee. Feminine, singular. To je vruća kava. And again. To je vruća kava. Question 10. Deseto pitanje. They are hot coffees. Feminine, plural. To su vruće kave. And again. To su vruće kave. Question 11. Jedanaesto pitanje. It is a cold drink. Neuter, singular, so the adjective has an O but the noun is unchanged. To je hladno piće. And again. To je hladno piće. Question 12. Dvanaesto pitanje. They are cold drinks. Neuter, plural, so both change. To su hladna pića. And again. To su hladna pića. Question 13. Pitanje 13. It is a brown belt. Masculine, singular. To je smeđi pojas. And again. To je smeđi pojas. Question 14. Pitanje 14. They are brown belts. Masculine, plural. This one is an exception. Normally single syllable words receive an OV, but this one receives an EV. To su smeđi pojasevi. And again. To su smeđi pojasevi. Question 15. Petnaesto pitanje. It is a brown skirt. Feminine, singular. To je smeđa suknja. And again. To je smeđa suknja. Question 16. Pitanje 16. They are brown skirts. Feminine, plural. To su smeđe suknje. And again. To su smeđe suknje. Question 17. Pitanje 17. It is a brown nest. Neuter, singular. This one has an E after the J. To je smeđe gnjezdo. And again. To je smeđe gnezdo. Question 18. Pitanje 18. They are brown nests. Neuter, plural, both have an A. To su smeđe gnezda. And again. To su smeđe gnezda. Question 19. Pitanje 19. That is a loud alarm. Masculine, singular. This can be written as glasni, but like a lot of adjectives, remain with an an on the end. To je glasan alarm. And again, to je glasan alarm. Question 20. Pitanje 20. They are loud alarms. Masculine, plural. For the plural, both receive an I. To su glasni alarmi. And again, to su glasni alarmi. Question 21. Pitanje 21. That is a small animal. Feminine, singular. To je mala životinja. And again, to je mala životinja. Question 22. Pitanje 22. They are small animals. Feminine, plural. To su male životinje. And again, to su male životinje. Question 23. Pitanje 23. That is a dark beer. Neuter, singular. To je tamno pivo. And again, to je tamno pivo. Question 24. Pitanje 24. They are dark beers. Neuter, plural. To su tamna piva. And again, to su tamna piva. Question 25. Pitanje 25. It is a young monkey. Masculine, singular. To je mladi majmun. And again, to je mladi majmun. Question 26. Pitanje 26. They are young monkeys. Masculine, plural. To su mladi majmuni. To su mladi majmuni. Question 27. Pitanje 27. It is a young giraffe. Feminine, singular. To je mlada žirafa. To je mlada žirafa. Question 28. Pitanje 28. They are young giraffes. Feminine, plural. To su mlade giraffe. To su mlade giraffe. Question 29. Pitanje 29. That is a new computer. Neuter, singular. To je novo računalo. To je novo računalo. Question 30. 30. pitanje. These are new computers. Neuter, plural. Ovo su nova računala. Ovo su nova računala. Question 31. Pitanje 31. It is an empty plate. Masculine, singular. Another that keeps the an ending. To je prazan tanjur. To je prazan tanjur. Question 32. Pitanje 32. They are empty plates. Masculine, plural. To su prazni tanjuri. To su prazni tanjuri. Question 33. Pitanje 33. It is a small bird. Feminine, singular. To je mala ptica. To je mala ptica. Question 34. Pitanje 34. They are small birds. Feminine, plural. To su male ptice. To su male ptice. Question 35. Pitanje 35. That is a blue feather. Neuter, singular. To je plavo pero. To je plavo pero. Question 36. Pitanje 36. These are blue feathers. Neuter, plural. Ovo su plava pera. Ovo su plava pera. Question 37. Pitanje 37. It is a big elephant. Masculine, singular. To je veliki slon. To je veliki slon. Question 38. Pitanje 38. They are big elephants. Masculine, singular. Another that receives an OV. To su veliki slonovi. To su veliki slonovi. Question 39. Pitanje 39. It is a white goat. Feminine, singular. To je bijela koza. To je bijela koza. Question 40. Pitanje 40. They are white goats. Feminine, plural. To su bijele koze. To su bijele koze. Question 41. Pitanje 41. It is a tall hill. Neuter, singular. To je visoko brdo. To je visoko brdo. Question 42. Pitanje 42. These are tall hills. Neuter, plural. Ovo su visoka brda. Ovo su visoka brda. Well done for getting through all of that. Now let's look at translating into English. Were you able to figure out the gender of each statement? Question 43. Pitanje 43. To je brod. And let's practice that again. To je brod. The noun ends in a consonant, so we have masculine, and it is singular. It is a fast ship. Question 44. Pitanje 44. To su brodovi. And again. To su brodovi. Here we have the plural form indicated by su or a, and both ending in I, so masculine, and once again a single syllable receives the OV, EV ending. They are fast ships. Question 45. Pitanje 45. To je puna boca. Feminine, singular. It is a full bottle. Question 45. Pitanje 45. To je puna boca. And again. To je puna boca. The noun ends in an A, so it's feminine and singular. It is a full bottle. Question 47. Pitanje 47. To je dugo ime. And again. To je dugo ime. We have singular and the noun ends in E, so it's neuter. It is a long name. Question 48. Pitanje 48. To su duga imena. And again. To su duga imena. This is another irregular one. It is plural and neuter as they both end in A. Here, though, instead of having ima as the plural form, it is lengthened to imena. They are long names. Question 49. Pitanje 49 To je bolno rame. And again, to je bolno rame. Here we have singular and neuter. This one in the plural form behaves like ime, so the plural becomes ramena. It is a painful shoulder. Question 50. Pitanje 50. To su mekani jastuci. And again, to su mekani jastuci. And finally, masculine plural. This is another tricky one. As you can see here, the K is replaced with a C, and both words still end in I. They are soft pillows. And that's it for the nominative case exercise. Don't worry if you still don't understand it. There are a lot more videos to come, and over time it will become clearer and start to fall into place for you. If you have any questions, pop over to Discord and ask your questions there. And we suggest you do the accusative exercise next.